Welcome to a demonstration of Bex Online. Bex Online is a business system specially adapted to support digital and physical trade seamlessly and out of the box. This means that great focus has been placed on standard solutions for products, order flow, and API interfaces, which makes it easy to connect and manage e-commerce stores, physical stores, customers, external warehouses, intelligent specialist systems, etc. There are currently about 50 external systems with standard connections to BeX. BeX is a genuine cloud system that is rented out as a service with everything included: software, support, maintenance, and ongoing updates. After logging in, which controls the permissions in the system, you're met by a dashboard with graphs, menus, and activity info. There's also a dashboard under each main menu. The menu on the left is role-based, and under each menu you'll find basic tables, operational functions, history, settings, and reports. It can be hidden to make more room for work images. The search function can be used to quickly find both records and functions, for example, Maria. You can also go directly to specific functions instead of using the left menu bar. You can search for orders and get sales orders, purchase orders, and historic orders. At the top right, you'll find notifications and various user settings, including layout themes, such as dark mode, that you can save for yourself. Product handling, or PIM, Product Information Management, as it's formally called if you have a full Omni Channel managed product information, is adapted to the requirements that can be set on searchability and statistics in different sales channels and uses. Up to 8 categorizations plus a number of extra dimensions can be added. A free number of secondary categorizations can also be specified if you want a product to be found under several concepts within the same type of category. You can add different variants with colors, sizes and lengths, blocks of text for different purposes and languages, accessories, and any number of images that can be used in e-commerce or in mobile POS. Different price lists for different markets and customer groups can be set up, excluding VAT and including VAT. Different valid dates can be used if you want to add price changes in advance, and you can add sales prices for a limited period, etc. Purchase prices can be set up for different suppliers with different markups for shipping, etc. Items can be bulk updated from Excel feeds where first-time purchases also can be created. Purchases can be created through order points, past sales, shop refills can be set up with different setups and frequencies per shop. Internal purchases are handled as inventory moves through transit warehouses, i.e. on-road inventory. Trades between companies in BeX is simplified by letting order documents be copied between purchase and sell orders. The customer register gathers all types of customers and trading channels and gives an overall picture of the customer's purchase, customer club and bonus. You can divide customers into different customer groups, categories, classes and bonus groups. You can easily find purchase statistics, orders, etc. on each customer. GDPR functionality can be used to anonymize customer data by the age of purchase or for individual customer. You can also print out all customer events on demand from the customer. Customer orders can be handled in different ways, from printing and picking orders for single orders to handling multiple orders at a time and picking them by shelf location and packing them and sending them to shipping systems. The orders can be scan-checked or picked and packed visually in a mobile device or traditionally on paper. Paid orders are handled and posted on delivery, while traditional orders can be invoiced on delivery or separately and then handled in a customer ledger with reminder and interest billing management. Outgoing ready-to-ship orders gives you an overview of all orders, and you can see which ones can be delivered in whole or in part and also fulfill the orders directly. You can view and sort the columns as needed and filter in the list, and view the order lines, where you can check and change the quantities. You can create batches on multiple orders that can, for example, be picked in a cart with different baskets or compartments. These can be picked and also scan-checked and then handed over for packing. The packing function can pack, control the content and then send the order to the shipping system. Tracking info is read back and updated on delivery and can then be forwarded to the e-commerce system's customer page. Documents such as receipts, packing slips, shipping labels and customs documents are automatically printed, and receipts and shipment notes can automatically be emailed to the customer. In the inventory menu, in addition to outbound orders, you can find purchase order receipts, inventory adjustments, and inventory moves. A simple shelf location management is included in the standard inventory, where you indicate on each item which shelf place it's stored on. The WMS module allows you to store and manage items in multiple shelf locations for picking and buffer handling. These are functions for automatic replenishments, loading, shelf location moves, and relocation optimization. The return function is designed to improve the efficiency of the return process for customer returns, but can also be used for company returns. A major functionality is to handle after discounts instead of the customer returning goods that he discovered there are new better offers on. It eliminates unnecessary returns and costs. Returns can be part refunded. Returns paid by gift card automatically creates and emails a credit receipt to the customer. Exchange orders can be created directly and reduce refundable amounts. Everything including a message can then be sent to the customer as a confirmation of how the return is handled. Reason codes can be set up for follow-up, and the return can update inventory, return location, or just create a credit and an automatic refund to the customer. Reports can be created for most events in the system. Sales report per item shows sales and correct TB based on FIFO. The report can be filtered, sorted and displayed on any fields in the report. You can also group the reports on one or more groups, and everything can then be printed to Excel. The Finance module contains all the usual functions in finance: manual posting, accounts receivable with reminder and finance charges, accounts payable with arrival registration and invoice matching of purchase receipts for checking and updating the current inventory value. BeX saves the inventory value in both purchase currency and accounting currency, which also allows currency revaluation and inventory. Payments to banks can be created according to ISO 222. The finance detailed transactions are saved in both currency and ledger currency and contain all static information such as customer, customer groups, item data, salespersons, etc. used in the system, and up to 7 free dimensions that users can name and attach to both items as well as customers and orders. This is the specification for both accounting and statistical reports and can be printed to Excel for further analysis. In the Finance module, it's possible to make your own account and VAT reports. The income statement and balance sheet and the standard VAT report are included from the beginning, but you can make your own liquidity reports, VAT reports for different EU countries, etc. Vouchers such as gift cards, credit receipts, down payments and bonuses are handled in a voucher receivable that can be linked to numerous digital and physical stores to keep track of validity and remaining amounts. Automatic settlements are made if exhibiting and redemption takes place in different companies. This was a summary of BeX. If you want to know more, you can contact us for a private briefing. You can also try for free for 14 days in your own trial installation. If you want to continue and rent BeX, you can use the trial version or request a new installation. Good luck, and let us know if you have any questions.